Hello everyone. This presentation is a part of IIT Delhi course Automotive System, and my topic of presentation is drive layout of motorcycle. So go through. So we will discuss about the introduction of two-wheeler, and then after we will have a look on the chassis of the two-wheeler, where how the parts are assembled and their description also. Then after we will go through the power transmission of a motorcycle and talk about the benefits of two wheelers. Okay. So India is the second largest producer of two wheelers in the world, and there is a spectacular growth in last 2 years. Before the invention of motorbikes, the principal mean of transportation was the vintage cars. So the two-wheeler segment is divided into two parts. One is motorcycle and the other one is moped. Is a list of companies and their sale. Uh, Hero Motocorp have 3.7 million sales and Honda motorcycles have 1.1 million sales. Bajaj Auto have 1.2 million sales, and all these companies uh, sell motorcycle and mopeds as well. Some examples of motorcycle and mopeds are shown here, like in motorcycles Honda Shine, Pulsar, R15 and CBZ. In mopeds, Activa DLX, Aviator, Pleasure, Scooty Pep. The main difference between motorcycle and moped is the moped doesn't contain a gearbox system, and so there is no requirement of clutch. So a person simple have to accelerate the bike and it will go on. While in motorcycle, there is a clutch system in which she have to change the gear. So here is a side mirror, and then there is a dashboard on which we can check our speed and the fuel level. And there is a headlight and front shock absorber and wheels, engines, mudguards, and there is a exhaust pipe and there is a rear suspension system also there, tail light, seat and fuel tank. So let's discuss some motorcycle parts. mm, these are the photos which I have clicked from my bike, which is Honda Shine. Fuel control, it's a valve that controls the gas flow. In older bikes and some of the newer bikes, it usually has two or three settings. One is reservoir, second is uh, on, and third is off. Then this is the uh, engine of a motorcycle. The fuel is then passed into it and combustion takes place, and then power is delivered. Then here it is controls. It contains the switch for lights, horn, indicator, and choke. This is the clutch. It The purpose of clutch is to disengage the gear from the engine, and these are the suspensions. These are the rear suspension, and these are the front suspension. Then this is the exhaust pipe. The residue coming from the engine is removed from it, and then this is a kick and to start the engine, and here it is the accelerator. uh, we can to increase throttle, we will rotate it and the throttle will open. uh, then this is the front brake, and this is the self start button. Let's have some inside look. uh, this is a chain sprocket. A sprocket or sprocket wheel is a profiled wheel with teeth or cogs that mesh with a chain track or other perforated or intended material. Then here is a gearbox. Transmission on motorcycles typically have 4 to 6 gears, although small bikes may have as few as 2. The gears are engaged by shifting a lever which moves shifting forks inside the transmission. Then there is a clutch. The main job of the clutch is to disengage the engine from transmission. Power transmission. So the bike has four gears. The first gear will have higher torque and low speed, and the torque will reduce with increasing the gear, and the speed will increase. So to start a bike, we will apply the kick, or we can use the self start button to start it, and then after we will uh, press the clutch and apply the first gear. After that, we will increase the throttle, and simultaneously we will leave the clutch, and the bike will start moving. Then to apply the second gear, we will again apply the clutch and apply the second gear and leave the clutch. Let's discuss some benefits of two-wheeler. The two-wheelers are the most popular and are highly used as a medium of transport in India. The main reason for buying a two-wheeler is they are economically cheap. Uh, like an example, uh, you can buy a bike of 45,000 to 70,000, which will have a mileage of 60 to 80 kilometer per liter. So they are fuel efficient also, and there is safety uh, and comfort level also in two wheelers. Okay, thank you.